All right, guys, welcome back. Today we are here at Silverwood Lake. We're actually right here by the water treatment. We're gonna start here. If we don't see anything, then we'll just move further down Millard Canyon. Here with Huck Outdoors. See if we can rip some lips.
Beautiful fish. So that one was out on power bait. Hooks in there pretty good. Get that out later. Hector's gonna keep it. Hector wants to fish for dinner. So there you go. Good color on that one too. Nice tail. Good sized fish.
All right, I didn't catch it on film reeling it in. Let it go.
They fell off and went around the water.
Ooh, snapped my. So, as you saw in the footage before, finally got my first trout. Got it on Thomas Cyclone, gold and red. Let me show you the fish we got. It's getting really cold. As you can see, I got the beanie on, got the gloves on. Let me turn you around and give you a quick look at the fish. Here they are. Actually a decent size. We're gonna get back to some fishing. We're over here way in the back of Miller Canyon. See if we can rip some more lips and before the rain gets here. It's getting really cold. Bite's getting pretty slow. We're gonna head up out of here and go and clean up these fish and head on out of here.
Cut this, you can just lift that and rip it back. Rip it? Yeah, rip it, just pull back, so that's what's coming. So take the skins off with you. You do it? You're fine? It's good. Boom. Usually I can do it within a minute. As you can see, that's in there in the guts. I just gotta do a little bit extra cleaning there, get some of that blood out. Good to go, but nice meat on here on this fish. You even have some meat here on the gill plates too, which is nice. That's a nice little delicacy right there. You want to do like fish up soup and everything. What's in there, Luke? stuff a little. It's got a lot of fresh blood. I prefer that. Another thing you can do is where I cut the gills, you can slice the gills, that way it bleeds out, and then we do the same thing. I got this look on the inside, pretty good.
Alright guys, that about wraps it up. Fish is all clean. Pretty easy for being the first time doing it. Thanks to Huck Outdoors for showing me.
You're welcome.
And that's gonna wrap up our day here at Silverwood Lake. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Check this out, guys. It's super dead on the dock. Every time I've come, there's been like at least 20-30 people here. As far as I can see, way in the back in the shores, not very many people over there at Millard Canyon. Even on this side over here, there's not very many people.
Cleghorn Beach doesn't have anybody. A handful.
Cleghorn Beach, there's probably about, I would say, 5 or 6 people there. I don't know if it's due to the coronavirus or
Could be the weather.
nobody wants to get rained on.
Yeah.
But I was talking to the lady in the store and she said it's been dead like this for the past 3-4 days.